Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix or you encounter this error, Roblox Error Code 277 network issue, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So first is you need to close your Roblox application and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer and then see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, then next method is we need to press the Windows key and R button together. Here we need to type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Then here you need to look for the one that you are connected to. So it could be Ethernet or it could be Wi-Fi. So I am connected to Wi-Fi. Make a right click and then select Properties. Here in the Wi-Fi properties, look for the IPv4. Then double click. Now here you have this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. The second option, click on that. For the preferred one, we are going to use the Google's DNS server. So type here 8.8.8.8. Alternate, it should be 8.8.4.4. And then click on OK. And then OK. And then close this window. The next method is we need to click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on System. Click on the Troubleshoot, this one. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In here, look for the Network and Internet, and then click on the Run button. Now, running the Network and Internet Troubleshooter, this will help you detect the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And then once it has detected the issue, then it will also give you suggestions on how they can fix the issue. Like here, if you're having network problems, try the recommendations in the order below. So you just need to follow the procedures and the suggestions right here. So once done, close this. Then we might uninstall the application if the issue persists. So we need to go ahead on that. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on this apps. Click on Installed Apps. Then look for the Roblox. So type here Roblox. So if you find the Roblox, just click on these three dots and then select Uninstall and then uninstall once again. And then once you have uninstalled the application, and what we'll have to do, we need to reinstall that. So open a browser. It could be Edge or the Google Chrome. So I'll open Microsoft Edge. In here, just type Roblox download. Click on this and you'll have this www.roblox.com. Click on this download Roblox, and then here you just need to click this download Windows app. And once you have clicked this, then the installer file will be downloaded right here, and then you just have to click on this. And then this will install the Roblox into your Windows. So once that is done, then you just have to open your Roblox application again. So I hope this video helped you. If any of the methods has helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button. And please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.